Alright people, so yes, so we have Bumpy's chicken sausage. See it there. And we have Boston up in a 40. But we see you have jerk chicken set speed.
And see chicken sausage here too.
Oh yeah man.
About pan there you see chicken and chicken sausage. Look pan it.
Oh yeah, we see it. This is where they go on there so.
Alright. See how we deal with it now.
Alright. So talk to the people about the sausage now.
Alright.
Hey people, this a jerk chicken sausage.
Yeah, you have to debone the chicken. I'm gonna chop him up. I'm gonna wrap him. But you know, say for me special ingredients. We
can't tell nobody that.
Because you know it go already.
You can't tell nobody that.
When I get it, but you see jerk sauce, that's one of the ingredients.
See?
So.
And you make a sauce too?
Yeah man.
See? And how long you there so?
More than 20 years.
And who you learn this jerk thing from?
When we used to work over making more than 17 years with them, but now me there on my own, we do different. I used to make the pork sausage over there for them, but we just change it over.
And start do chicken you know?
Own chicken sausage.
But you come here and say you're the only man on the block who do chicken sausage?
Yes, the truth.
See?
Right at Boston.
Yeah, because most people are Portland though.
Yeah.
See,
I have to do something different.
See?
Yeah.
How you sell it? How much you order for the chicken sausage?
Alright, you can get two, then two there like for 2,000. You can get two for 1,600.
And what that serve with?
The side orders are festival, roast sweet potato, or yellow yam or breadfruit.
And you make all of that yourself, same way?
Yeah, oh man, sometimes you left other business for other people.
Okay.
You don't do everything one time.
Yeah. And that's the thing I love about up here people is that they all come together and work as a team. It's like one man now trying to make everything for himself. They allow other people to survive as well.
Man.
Yeah.
You have people who do the jelly water, you have man who do the plum juice. Alright, see jelly water man coming right now to you. That's Bobby.
I buy from him already.
Alright, that me you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah, but I hear some do for me too.
See.
As you come in, right on the right hand side here.
Right at Boston people, Portland.
Where you see Jamaica stop.
See. Yeah man. So if you're there Boston people, circle the man.
You will see it.
Yeah man, see the man thing there. Bumpy. Hold on you know. Why they call you Bumpy?
Oh, my father did name Bumpy, so he hand down to me. And then my son have name so 3 Bumpy. You have senior, junior, and little Bumpy. We all laugh. When I was, I make you laugh today. That one have to make
so
you
because
laugh.
your father did name Bumpy and them give you Bumpy, your son have to name Bumpy too?
Yeah, three, you know.
I was
Daddy drop out now. Big Bumpy did. When he left here in the St. Elizabeth at church, then me take over the jerk, you know, because my jerk as well like my daddy.
Oh, see?
Yeah, but my son now, he loves skating and surfing and those things. Yeah.
Oh, so me meet a youth down at Boston Beach named Drake.
Eh?
Me meet a youth down at Boston Beach named Drake, saying to surfing too.
Yeah, man, I wanna feel friend.
I was seeing. So your father used to jerk chicken as well?
Yeah, man, jerk pork.
Jerk pork?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's a generation thing?
Yeah, man.
So even the name is a generation thing?
Yeah, man, it go right down.
Alright, see.
I found the year start. I have some pork jerking start from too, you know.
Yeah, man, me know that.
Originate from.
Alright, go on do your thing, my brother. Blessed love.
One love Jamaica.
Yeah, man, Jamaica uncut street food, Boston jerk, Portland.
Alright, when you come, make sure you check out Bumpy's.
You see that, people? Make sure you come check Bumpy, and are the only man who have jerk chicken sausage
Anything else
in a Boston.
Happy pecker.
Tell me that again.
Anything like that again, I must be a copy pecker.
Alright, sir. Original jerk chicken sausage.
Yeah.
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love.